Now let us understand how to make entries in the software. So let us access entries. So this page shows the list of entries as well as it gives us an option to make an entry. So let us make few entries for us to understand. So the first entry, let me go to add entry. Here we use this drop button and we have few transactions listed which are receipt, payment, contra and journal. So first transaction I would just choose receipt. So I am directed to this page where details of the transaction or the details of the transaction can be entered as well as entries can be made. Now number would be any number, it can be voucher number, receipt number, anything. So just for the purpose I'll make it as 001. Date, no, date I will choose it as 4th. Now, so our first entry would be bank account debit to capital account, considering they've just started the business. So we have both debit and credit column here, so it's very easier to write entries. We have an option to make list of entries on that particular day. So I will make another entry, bank account, $1,000 to cash account, so let us keep it to that for this particular day. Now we have narration. Let us say commenced business and deposited cash in hand, cash to bank. There's anything to tag, we can tag, otherwise let us submit. So we can keep it as we can submit it. So we have created the first entry. So I'll make a series of entry so we can check in the reports. Now my second entry would be let us say we have purchased something, so go to payment. Again please note this is just a vague chart of accounts and the details. This is just for the demo and to understand the functions. So we credit bank account and we debit purchase account. So we have purchased it from vendor 1. So we have credited, so amount goes out from the bank. So we have purchased it for, we have made a purchase for 1,50,000. We have credited to the, so 1,50,000. Also, we have made another entry where we have borrowed money from the creditor. So we debit bank account on the same day, we credit um, we can search immediately here like this. Interest narration purchased from vendor 1 and borrowed creditor. Okay, we forgot to mention the date. Number 2 and date is 5th. Submit. Now let us make another entry of sales. Reset. Date is 10th. We debit bank account. So we've sold goods. So let us consider we've sold goods for 2 lakh and we've received payment from a buyer. Let us consider as buyer 1. 2 lakhs. Narration is sold goods to buyer 1. We submitted. Now let us make a list of income entries. So reset. Again, bank account, debitor 2, interest on investment, which is 1,500. And we have made a short-term investment. This we have option of selecting submit. We missed out on the date column, so hence it is asking us to get the date. So since I Since I missed out writing on the bank column, it says invalid amount specified, amount cannot be negative or zero, so we have to, so there cannot be chances of mismatch of accounts in this case. Now I'll make a list of payment entries. So bank, credit to let us say salaries of 10,000, and electricity say 10,000, and we have insurance paid, we have 14,500. So now the total would come up to 20,000, which is easier to write here. 20,000 debited from bank account. Okay, we select the date, give them a number, and we submit it. So since again there is a mismatch, we can always enter it. It doesn't take the mismatch. Expenses made. So we have made all the entries. Now let us go to the accounts to find changes in the accounts, to find all the balances in the accounts. So any entries made will be reflected in the chart of accounts.